today I just made something awesome. So if you want to know how to make little houses, step 1, get a box. Step 2, get glue. Step 3, get not scissors. Step 4, so you see, I made like a door here and windows and like cut it across here, and then on the other sides here and here and here, you just leave it, and then you can decorate it, and then you're done. Okay, bye, peace out.